ready for another natural soap. This is my Rosemary Mint soap, and first of all, I apologize for any banging in the background. My husband's working on a project in the garage. Anyway, this is the Rosemary Mint natural soap, and this pond scum looking thing is my lye solution with the French green clay in it. I find that adding those clays to the lye solution helps with the color. It also helps blending it up. The essential oil combination, I've already mixed it together. I'll have to stir it again, but I've got some kaolin clay in the bottom that will help anchor that in the soap. I'm using rosemary and spearmint from Brambleberry, and then I have eucalyptus from Essential Depot. The colors I'm going to use are all natural. I kind of have an array here. I've got basil and chlorophyll extracted from basil. That was the basil was gifted to me by a local farmer, and then I extracted the basil. I do have a video on how I did that on my channel. I have spinach powder from Wholesale Supplies Plus, matcha green tea. This is from Pan Vaquero. I don't think she's selling ingredients anymore. And then I have dandelion greens that I had dehydrated and then ground up. So I think I'm ready to go. What my plan is, I want to kind of usually do like a hanger swirl with this. The November soap challenge is a splash, not a swirl, so I'm trying to think of the right word. You use a hanger tool, but instead of swirling, you go down and up. And I want to try to do layers of the different colors, and then I'm going to take the hanger tool and go up and down with that. I may do a hanger swirl in one of them. I'm not sure. I'll figure that out once I get there. Kind of the swirls, you kind of go with what you're in the mood for right at that moment. One thing with the essential oils, because essential oils are very expensive and you still have to use the correct amount to properly fragrance your soap, I don't fragrance the entire soap. So what I'll do is, usually with this much soap, I need like 4 ounces. So like 2 loaves, 20 bars, I need about 4 ounces of fragrance, hypothetically, or in general, whatever, to make it smell correctly. Obviously, essential oils all have their own usage rates. Some of them are safer than others, depending on what it is. You have to make sure you're looking at that. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm only going to fragrance part of the layers. So I'm going to be fragrancing 3 of the layers, 3 of the 5 layers. So the soap is still going to smell wonderful. It's going to have the fragrance in there, but I'm not going to be fragrancing the whole thing. So let's go ahead and get started.